On July the 8th, 1985, Don "The Rock" Morocco, he's the best The Rock, won the first ever King of the Ring tournament to be crowned king. He knocked off the Iron Sheik in the final. Now, unlike other kings such as King Booker, King Sheamus, King Harley Race, he didn't incorporate the whole king thing into his gimmick too much. There was no cape, there was no crown, he was just a big dude who's going to hit you really hard and just happened to be the king. Also on this day in 1991, the man formerly known as Sid Vicious in WCW made his WWF in-ring match debut as Sid Justice, knocking off Ted DiBiase on an episode of Wrestling Challenge. Also on July 8th, 2002, Kevin Nash gave birth to a million memes when he tore his quad by walking across the ring. No, seriously, he gave Booker T a big boot and then he sort of walked towards the opposition's corner and he fell down and that was it. It's not funny. It's not funny. Why do you... It's not funny. That's all for now. Check back tomorrow to find out what happened in wrestling on this day.